Hi, my name is Diane Laney. I am a married mother of 4 children and a grandmother of 3. The career profile I chose to share with you is a social service program specialist. This is for the state of South Dakota through the Department of Social Services Division of Behavioral Health Agency. Working environment. Um, Hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You'd be working in an office setting as well as in the field. Must be able to head up your own team and provide training. Some in-state travel is required with a little out-of-state travel. Must be able to interpret and apply administrative rules and program guidelines. You will develop and implement administrative procedures and evaluate efficiency and effectiveness of these procedures. Your job will include gathering and analyzing data, being able to reason logically and accurately and solve problems using good judgment, reasoning, and ingenuity. Typical stressors for this job include a demanding work schedule in educating and the public and disseminating information. This job requires organizing behavioral health related prevention services to youth and adults in the community and can require long hours. Must be committed to giving services as needed and attention to detail and have excellent communication skills in difficult situations. Must be team-oriented and able to support prevention-related activities while making a difference. At times, this will require working evenings and weekends. This job requires working with individuals in stressful situations who will need understanding and support. Being able to show professional compassion while responding to individuals in crisis situations is crucial. Benefits for this estate employee will have their choice of a low deductible or high deductible health plan. You can see your choices in the comparison chart with the link below. Other plans include dental, vision, life and accident insurance plans, flexible spending accounts, health savings accounts, health reimbursement accounts, long-term care, employee assistance programs, and the Health Home Pilot Program. There's also 3 weeks of paid vacation leave each year, including up to 4 weeks after 4 years of service. The state recognizes 10 legal holidays. Additional holidays may be declared by the governor. Holidays that land on a Saturday will be observed, or you'll have the day off on Friday. If it's on a Sunday, you'll have the day off on Monday. Sick leave, you will receive 14 days per year. Common job tasks. This position is responsible for the oversight of the implementation, coordination, and monitoring of the prevention services in the Community Behavioral Health Program, including grant activities from the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. This position is also responsible for ensuring programs operate within rules, regulations, and program standards and are in compliance with the contract and grant requirements. The position requires in-state travel and may occasionally require out-of-state travel. The primary duties associated with this position are oversee prevention-related activities funded through the Division of Behavioral Health, provide support to contracted agencies by answering questions related to contracted prevention activities, ensure quality assurance and fidelity of the funded prevention services, ensure outcomes are monitored and reported to the prevention-related activities, supervise the prevention staff, provide training and presentations to staff, providers, and the public, writing grant applications, and develop and put into play programs to meet grant guidelines. A bachelor's degree is required. They also would like foundations of prevention training, or at least the ability to complete this training within the first 12 months of employment. The ideal candidate will have experience providing prevention programming and curriculum delivery, proven leadership skills with experience in supervising staff, leading projects or programs, and previous grant writing and management experience. Experience in a behavioral health setting, including substance use disorder and/or mental health training, is also preferred. Um, the salary range for this particular job starts just a little above $47,000 per year, and for more experienced workers, there's room to grow here. You can get work up to 81,000 over time. So lots of room for growth in this job, in this career field.